What's up guys, and welcome to another model airplane video on the channel. Today we've got a Flight Miniatures 1-200 737-200 in the Midway livery. Midway Airlines was a low-cost operator founded in Chicago in 1976, and it flew from 1979 to 1991, ceasing operations due to high fuel costs and low passenger demand. It was named after Chicago's Midway Airport, which itself was named after the Battle of Midway during World War II. They mainly used DC-9 and MD-80 series jets, but they also had 14 737-200s like the one we see here. They had destinations all across the United States and even Canada and the Caribbean. The name Midway Airlines was bought and revived by a group of investors who founded a new company out of Chicago in 1993. This second company, although new and different, was staffed mostly by the former original Midway Airlines employees, and even its president was one of the founders of the original Midway Airlines. It moved its hub to Raleigh, North Carolina in 1995, and eventually it too began to serve destinations in the Caribbean. Although it did enter the modern era with newer 737 models and even Airbus A320s, it really didn't survive and ceased operations definitively in October 2003. Now this is one of the old Flight Miniatures models, with manufacturing techniques and molds carried over from the Long Prosper days, so there are a few drawbacks that I'd like to bring your attention to, such as the nose shape, which isn't quite right, and the lack of detail, especially in the engines, as well as a few imperfections in the paint. But you do have to keep the price in mind, and Flight Miniatures models usually retail between $18 to $22, so that's something to keep in mind, as well as the variety. You'll be hard-pressed to find a 1-200 snap-fit 737-200 in such a specific livery anywhere else. Not only that, but as I've mentioned in another video, Flight Miniatures has increased their quality since the days of this model, so I'm in no way putting them down. I'm just letting you know what kind of quality you'll be getting in case you're undecided on buying one of these and quality happens to be a determining factor. So that's going to do it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching it. Check out the channel for more miniature model airplane reviews, and I'll see you guys next time.